Red Sea crisis, which is the biggest challenge the marine industry was facing. So we were well prepared by tying up with GoComet.
Hi, I am Bhavan Pridarshanan, Senior Manager Supply Chain Management for the Kirby Building System for the Middle East region. So to talk about Kirby Building System, yes, we are a subsidiary company of Alghanim Industries, which got 400 plus world-class brands, and it is established in 1932. It's one of the largest privately owned company in Gulf region. And we as a subsidiary, Kirby Building System was one of the largest manufacturing PD manufacturing company, where we have our own manufacturing entities in Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Dubai, India, and Vietnam. And with this, we have a annual capacity of like 500,000 plus metric tons, and we are in the process of further expansion. Supply chain ecosystem completely, it is changing in Gulf region, and it become very vulnerable during the COVID, where the ports are congested, and it was very hard to get precise information about whereabouts of our materials. So that is when, we really thought about, yes, we have to go for a very credible tracking solutions, to identifying where our materials are. And then that's how it started off. We had multiple valuations with many suppliers. And we did some pilot runs projects, and we had multiple rounds of discussion with all these suppliers. And then with the team, their professionalism, yes, definitely we got convinced that we should go ahead with Coconut and see how it works. Information about the container tracking, where we could even track the containers until it is cleared and returned back to the port. This is something like we were not expecting. Our requirement was to track until the destination port, and we thought that could be good, but this information came as a surprise as well, useful thing. We have multiple scenarios where we have used it and resolved issue conflicts. Like recently we had a specific issue where one of our containers were dropped in a middle port by the shipping line, even though we have shipped all together. So we could inform the customer about this incident with a lot of evidence and support, and we could share them the location. So it was proven that yes, we have stuck to our commitment, and this is something happened beyond our control. The Red Sea crisis, which is the biggest challenge the marine industry was facing right now. So we were well prepared by tying up with Cocomet to tackle this situation. So whereas we had very precise information about our shapes and the materials, where were they and where they are stuck, and whether the port congestions, how bad it is in each port, and how the situation is improving, all that. So we could react to the challenges promptly because we had these informations in hand. So this helped us to run our production units without any stoppage, or if we have to change our plans, we could take those decisions. We are giving greater visibility of the shipments to our customers, and we ourselves are having a good hold of information about our shipments, raw material, imports, all that. Definitely helping us plan very efficiently, I would say. These are, I think, probably non-measurable, but has a lot of value to it. And we are building confidence from our customers also that, yes, your shipments are 100% in control, where we have a pure visibility on your shipments. They have a lot of, misinformations, plus man hours that we spent on doing these activities have been reduced, and means I could say eliminated. To be very, precise, probably an hour of like a day per person, sometimes even more, because it depends on multiple phone calls and multiple follow-ups. I would say amazing. It was a learning on both ends, and we could say that GoComet team was trying to address all our requirements and customize the solutions as per our need. So that was very attractive for us, because we are on a very unique industry. So we had different types of challenges that we faced. So we came up with all our requirements, and the team was very accommodative and supportive, and we really liked the way it was handled. It's a high time that we think about supply chain visibility and creating more awareness with all what is happening around the world. It is very important to have good control on your shipments. So definitely the solutions and the team professionalism, I would recommend the GoComet is the best solution if you really wanted to get hold of your shipments and create supply chain visibility.